So are you heading to Marriott's Shadow Ridge, and specifically maybe even looking at the Enclave section, and you want to know what a 2-bedroom standard villa looks like? Well, we're going to check out ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we head inside here and take a look at our 2-bedroom villa, it's actually a lock-off, but what they also consider a standard villa here in the Enclave section at Marriott's Shadow Ridge in Palm Desert, California. I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic resorts, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. And sometimes I throw in some industry news and some commentary about timeshares as well. So if that's the kind of stuff you want to see, be sure to hit subscribe down below. Also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at our 2-bedroom standard villa. It is a lock-off though, at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves in Palm Desert. As we head inside the 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Shadow Ridge, we're going to head down the hallway and take a look at the kitchen. Pretty small kitchen here. You do have an island there that does contain the dishwasher and sink, and you do have your full set of appliances, oven with a stove, microwave, and a number of small appliances as well. There's also a full-size refrigerator, freezer, and ice maker. Now, as we take a look through the kitchen drawers, you're going to find a number of cooking utensils as well as a full set of silverware. As we turn around and take a look inside a very large cabinet, we notice a full set of glassware and dinnerware for 6 people. Now, as we make our way into the living room, first off, we're going to notice a large side table. Not much going on here, but it might be good for some storage. Now into the living room, you're going to find a sofa that will pull out into a queen-size sleeper sofa, 2 footstools, and a couple of chairs here as well. Hung up on the wall at the end is a large flat-screen television, and you're also going to find an exposed HDMI and power outlets here, perfect for those streaming devices that you might bring. And also here in the end tables, you're going to find some additional exposed USB and power outlets. Now let's make our way into the master bedroom. Now all that's separating this here from the living room is kind of a barn style door. A little bit unfortunate, doesn't provide a lot of privacy if you have guests in the villa with you as well, and they're in the living room while you're still trying to sleep in the bedroom. But it is what it is. But inside the master bedroom here, you do have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, a chair over there in the corner, and of course down at the foot of the bed, you do have a chest of drawers with a large flat-screen television. And beside the television, you do have a small closet, which is home to the in-room safe. Now that we've seen the master bedroom, we're going to take a look at the master bath. Connected actually via both the master bedroom and that long hallway that we came in through. In this bathroom here, you do have a double vanity with 2 lighted mirrors. Also in here, of course, you have the toilet and a large walk-in shower. Now that we've seen the 1-bedroom side of this 2-bedroom lock-off here at Marriott's Shadow Ridge in the Enclaves phase, now we're going to head over and take a look at the studio side. But before we do, we're going to take a look at the in-room laundry. Located along that hallway, just before we got to the kitchen, you do have in here a high efficiency washer and dryer. Now we're going to head over and take a look at the guest bedroom. Actually, the studio side of this 2-bedroom lock-off, you do have in here a small kitchenette, microwave, small bar-sized refrigerator, some small appliances, coffee maker, toaster, and some coffee supplies. And you do have glassware, dinnerware, and silverware for 2 people. And beside the kitchenette here, you do have a closet, home to some extra bedding and the in-room safe. Now moving into the bedroom area, you do have a king-size bed with a couple of nightstands where you'll find an alarm clock and some exposed USB and power outlets. Over here on the other side of the bed, you do have a sofa that does pull out, I think, actually into maybe a queen size sleeper sofa, but it might actually only be a twin. It doesn't look like it's a full size sofa there. But in here you also do have a large flat screen television hung up on the wall with a great place there right below it with some USB and power outlets. Great for charging your phone, charging just about anything that you would need. And over here along the window is a small dining area for 2, and you're going to notice here there is no doorway out to a balcony. Unfortunately, no balcony here on this studio side. Now before we head out of this guest bedroom, we're going to take a quick look at the bathroom over here. You do just have a single vanity, a large lighted mirror, plenty of towels, toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. Now that we've taken a look at the inside of this 2-bedroom lock-off at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves, let's step outside. We're going to take a look at the patio. All right, so I'm now out here on the patio, the balcony of this 2-bedroom lock-off standard villa here at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves in Palm Desert, California. Not too bad of a patio here, but just 2 chairs, actually pretty nice chairs. They look pretty comfortable, and a small table. Fortunately, not your kind of standard 4 chairs and a table. They could have really fit a lot more out here. So if you want to have other people from this villa, because there is no balcony over on the studio side, so everybody who's staying here is essentially going to use this balcony out here. So if you want to have more people out here, you're going to have to bring some chairs out from inside, some maybe dining room chairs at that. There is a plug-in over there, so if you want to work out here in the heat, in the desert, you can plug some stuff in. But we are on a top floor, so no overhead cover. That is not an issue on 1st or 2nd floor, obviously. Obviously, all 3-story buildings here, so no cover on that top floor. Keep that in mind when you're making your requests. But also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's Shadow Ridge, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They're pretty sure you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.